Having trouble getting messages to families or staff? In this video, we'll review the most common delivery issues and how to fix them fast. For families, you want to encourage them to save the district phone number, the school phone number, and the transportation office as contacts in their phone. This prevents it from being marked as spam. In addition, they need to ensure that their contact information is up to date and that they are opted in for all communication types. They can even check this information themselves. I'll show you how to do that shortly. For staff, you want to make sure that they review and update their phone numbers in Skyward if they're not getting your SMS messages. In addition, if emails aren't coming across from Focus, have them check their spam folder and mark the messages from Focus as not spam. Remember how I said that families can check their contact information and if they're opted in by logging on to the Focus Parent Portal? I'm going to walk you through that right now. So I'm logged into my test parent, and I can go to one of my children, select Child Info, and navigate to the Address and Contacts tab. In this example, I can see that Mom, Brenda Sparks, is listed under the primary address. In addition, she has a pink gavel, which means she has custody. And when I click, there is both a phone number and email listed. When I click on this contact, it pops up additional information where I can see the email address listed, if they are opted out of email notifications, which would have this toggle turned on. In addition, I can see the contact type, the phone number, and the various options they've selected. For this parent, they have call out and SMS text, both checked. It's important to note when families want to only receive emergency calls that only the blocked checkbox is added and you don't unselect call out. Both of those need to be checked for it to work. If a parent has replied stop to a text message they've received, the system will update their settings and check the unsubscribe from SMS text. So if you notice that selected, that could be another reason they're not receiving text messages. If they want to start getting those messages again, all they need to do is reply start. While we're looking at a Focus Parent Portal, there's something else that I want you to keep in mind. For parents, when they receive communications from Focus, they're automatically translated based on their preferences. It's going to either take into account the primary language spoken at home, or if a parent has went into their preferences and changed their language, now you're ready to troubleshoot delivery issues like a pro. But don't forget, you also have the Focus Communication Report to help identify common errors and why those are coming across. Still have questions? Submit a ticket. We're here to help.